guys, Planet Everything here, and today I was just shoveling my driveway and realized, look at all the snow. It's currently blizzarding out. Like literally, it is blizzarding, and I think we've gotten a lot over a foot in the last day or two. And it's crazy, and it's so much fun, because just look at all the snow. And this is like one line of my driveway, just piled up in one little awesome snow pocket. So I'm so excited to play with this snow tomorrow, because chances are we're not going to have school. And it's insane how much snow there is. It's like crazy. Just look at all this stuff. Literally, look at this. It's like so much snow. Oh, my face is getting covered in it. Just laying down because it's snowing a lot. Every time it snows, it's crazy. It's so much fun to play in. So, I'm just gonna try to put all this snow in one spot and just mess around. So that's what today's video is gonna be on, because this is the most awesome thing ever. The flashlight on my phone went out. That giant pile is kind of blocking one of these cars to get out, so that's going to be really fun to take out. But for now, I am freezing and I'm going to go inside. No hat. So I think I'm going to go inside. It's probably the best decision, and I'll continue shoveling later. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much of this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and also please share with your friends, because, you know, sharing is caring.